Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your iPad is the 9th generation and updated to the latest iPad OS. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication for secure access. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the iPad has at least half charge or is plugged in. Now open Settings and go straight to Apple Intelligence or Siri and search so you can begin enabling the feature. Don't skip the Apple ID security step. It's required. Now you'll enable and tailor Apple Intelligence. In Settings, tap Apple Intelligence or Siri and search and toggle the main switch on. You'll see individual options like suggestions, writing help, and photo analysis. Turn on the ones you need. When prompts appear, grant permissions for photos, mail, messages, notes, and any other apps you want it to analyze. These permissions let the model surface useful context. Once permissions are granted, adjust preferences for summaries and privacy controls so the feature behaves the way you expect. Finish by testing Apple Intelligence features. Ask Siri for a summary, use writing suggestions in notes, and check photo memories for enhanced captions. If the features do not appear immediately, restart the iPad and give the system a few minutes to index your data. Make sure background app refresh and network access are enabled. If problems persist, reset privacy settings or sign out and back into your Apple ID. That often resolves permission or activation glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.